Although we've mentioned that dictionary keys must be an immutable object, we haven't actually shown it in action where we have attempted to use a mutable object as a key. So in this video we will take a look at keys that work and those that will cause an error. Let's create a variable for our dictionary. We'll just call it a_dict and set it equal to our curly braces. We'll begin with the immutable keys and we'll start with numbers. We'll set our key to 1 and we'll set all our values to be an empty string. Now when we hit enter, this dictionary is perfectly fine. We did not get an error. We'll keep going. We'll go on to a float. We'll put in 1.5 and again we'll set the value as an empty string. Hit enter, no errors. Let's try a boolean. We'll use true. Again, an empty string as the value and still no errors. Next up is a string. We'll create a string and we'll use the word string and we'll set the value to an empty string and hit enter. All good so far. We've also seen that we can use a tuple as a key. Create a tuple of 0, 0 and set it to an empty string. Hit enter and no errors. All the keys here are data types that we've seen so far in this course. We've also seen a list. However, we know that list is mutable. So let's add in a list as a key. Set the value to be our empty string and hit enter. And this time around we get a type error, an unhashable type list. A list cannot be used as a key for a dictionary. And the only other data type we've seen so far is a dictionary. So let's try use a dictionary instead. We'll change our list here to be a dictionary containing 0 as a key and 0 as a value. So here we're adding in a dictionary entry as a key. We'll hit enter and this time we get another type error, but it says that the unhashable type is a dict. So we can see we can only use immutable data types as keys in our dictionary, and that when we use a mutable data type we get a type error. In this video we saw that when we use immutable data types as keys we were not returned an error. We could use an integer or any other number, a boolean, a tuple and a string. But when we used a mutable data type such as a list or a dictionary, we got a type error returned.